Siemens Teamcenter Share is a cloud-native solution which enables seamless, ad hoc collaboration capabilities to help with communication between different departments, suppliers, and customers. Here we'll see the close integration between Solid Edge and Teamcenter Share to quickly detail and solve a critical design issue. Here we have a clamp arm assembly from our Master Mover product. Feedback from customers is that in certain situations, the clamp arm itself is failing. Here, Nitin, the quality engineer, is going to use Teamcenter Share to detail the issue. Logging in, he can see all the different Solid Edge files which make up the design and even the documentation in the form of Word documents. Looking at the clamp arm assembly in the embedded view and markup environment, he can quickly add a markup which details the issue with the part. Other tools in this environment include the ability to hide and show parts, measure geometry, section the model, and even create exploded views of the assembly. Once the markup is saved, Nitin can quickly choose to assign a task to the designer, Ben, who will make the changes, entering a description, priority, due date, and so on. The design is automatically referenced, so all the relevant data will be at hand. Let's change our focus to Ben, the design engineer. Here he receives an automated email containing all the relevant details of the task, including the description and the referenced files. Ben is using Siemens Desktop Connector, which automatically synchronizes all the appropriate files to his desktop. Looking in the projects folder, he is able to view the clamp arm assembly and accordingly identify the reference file which Nitin has shared with him. Ben can also access the same Teamcenter Share project from right inside Solid Edge and then open the assembly in question. Once open, he has access to the very same markup information that Nitin created. After understanding the required changes, he can focus on the part that has the issue, and using synchronous technology, quickly and easily change the geometry. Increasing the size of the corner round should do the trick here. Just to be sure though, Ben will use the embedded Solid Edge simulation tools to digitally validate the design. A simple case of just solving the existing study, and he can see the results instantly. Displaying the factor of safety now shows this is within the desired levels. For reference, he can then create a report which captures all the details of the analysis. Since he's saving it within the Share project folder, it will be synchronized to the cloud so that it's available for others to view immediately. Ben would now like to communicate the design change to his manager, Ali, for approval. Using the embedded markup tools in Solid Edge, he can describe the design changes that have been made. Then once done, share the design change directly from within Solid Edge by using the message option. Here he can once again detail the changes and also add that the simulation results have been shared for reference as well. Switching focus to Ali the manager, who has received a similar email, once again containing all the relevant information. Here Ali can use Teamcenter Share to review the requested design change and the changes that Ben has made, all directly on the 3D Solid Edge model with access to the same markups that both Nitin and Ben created. He's also able to view the simulation results with the built-in 2D markup tool, giving the ability to view the complete setup for the analysis, and finally the results of the simulation to validate the design change made by Ben. This gives him all the information he needs before making the decision to sign it off for release. Seamless, ad hoc cloud collaboration capabilities powered by Siemens Teamcenter Share and Solid Edge.